Hi, this is Chantal from the Purring Cat Studio and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a very quick video on how I make these. I use them as bookmarkers, page markers I think you call them, and just tassels to add here and there in your creations. And I thought I would show you a quick video on how I make them. So let's start. First, you take some of that wire, not thread, but you know, I don't know what this is called, but it's not a rope, wire thread, I guess. Artistic wire. I know that you find this everywhere. There's sometimes it's greens. This one's black. I got it at the dollar store. You will find it at your craft store. I have also this metallic wire right here, or metallic thread on a bobbin like this. Same with gold one. I'm going to use this black one because I find it nice. So first, you want to make a loop to make sure that the beads you're going to put will not fall through, and it's just easier like this. There you go. And you leave the loop. See, I just went around and around, and that's it. That is it for this side. Then you choose the beads you want. I already selected a few because I just explained to you before when we started that I really wanted this to be a quick video on how to do these. So how about, I don't know, maybe I should have, I don't know, that looks pretty good. Like this and this. Now I won't be able to tell you, where I got those specific beads. However, I know that Michael's sells, or I mean they used to, and I've also found a few at Walmart, just like bags or boxes of mismatched beads, because I know because I've purchased a few of them. So as you can see, I'm doing the same thing I did at the beginning, but I just do it here to close it up. And I'm gonna cut the excess. Okay, that's the cutter side. So I'm just gonna cut the excess so I don't spend 20 minutes trying to, oops, I'm not on the cutter part there. Okay, so just make sure you see that little pointy thing. Just make sure that it's not pointing anywhere, because when you get that in your finger, it's not great. It hurts. I mean, you're not going to be in danger, but it's not pleasant. So I'm just gonna, plus it's an unpleasant surprise when somebody is, going through their journals and then they get pricked by something pointy like that. There you go. So it's as easy as this, right? And then what you can do, I'll take a piece of ribbon that I have here just to show you an example. I would use a much longer, obviously. But see, now, not only does it hold the beads in, but it also serves as something you can loop a ribbon in. And then when I make my page markers with this, let me just find one of my books here. I'll show you. Yeah, I made one. Oh no, of course I grabbed the book that I didn't make one. There, the fairy journal that I made has one right here, right? So let me just open that. If you want to see, by the way, the flip through, I made a video and it will be under the playlist called Journal Flip Through. Let me go in the middle of the two signatures. So see, I attached it to a ribbon which is in the middle of my journal, and now that becomes a page marker. So I'm gonna put this aside. Yeah, so it's useful, and sometimes I also just add things like that. I'll show you here. I'll add them, when I like the ribbon to attach to close the book, right? Well, when you open it, the ribbon is still attached to the journal, and so is this, right? So it adds interest. And I put some sometimes on pages. I'll put them on pages where there's lace, and there you go. They're not always big. Sometimes they're just tiny like this one. I just feel, as you know, it really adds a lot of interest. So there's another thing I wanted to show you real quick, and maybe you've seen others do it. I know I have. I can't remember who, but we're many of us doing things like that. It's all about putting stuff in your journals and embellishments that are easy peasy. So I had this piece of ribbon, beautiful, and I have this lace. I thought I would add it here. And I have this, I don't remember where it came from, but I've used it in the fairy journal as well because it looks, you know, magical. So if, let's say I will layer it this way. I'll put this on top, why not? And then I'll take a piece of, it's not twine, but it's, what's it called? Hold on, heavy duty jute twine. I hope I said that right. Sometimes I'm not 100% of my pronunciation for certain words. You know, it's only since I've been starting to film myself that I've realized how much of a big accent I have when I speak, my first language being French. And oh well, that's okay. There's all kinds of accents. It's just I never really thought I had that big of an accent. So only on certain words I find, but maybe it's on every word. Maybe some of you are watching and say, no, no, Chantal, it's on every word, which is fine. Okay, so see, that alone is pretty, right? But you can also add one of these. Now this one is big, it could be smaller, but just for the fun of it, just to see what it would look like, how about I pin it right here? If it was smaller, I would actually pin it down here, but this one I just chose one of these because it was already made, just to show you. There you go. See, now you have another kind of embellishment to put in a journal, attached to a page. It could be really like anything you think this would look good on. And it was easy, simple. It was all from scraps of ribbons and pieces of fabric that I found. And then you add this, and it's beautiful. Again, if this was a shorter one, I don't have a shorter one. Actually, no, it's on the book already. Hold on. I just wish I could find a shorter version, but I think you understand that, you know, if it's dangling right from here. Oops, I'm off camera. Sorry about that. See, right there. Isn't that beautiful? And it took me, what, like 3 minutes? Not even? So, yeah, I usually try and make a bunch of these in advance because then I can pick and choose colors and textures, like whether it's wood or more like beads or glass and pearls, and then I just add them to my journals. And also I will make myself some little pieces like this made with scraps because I don't know if you're like me, but we all like those little surprises all through the journals, right? So there it is, my friends. I told you it would be a short video, but I hope it was worth it, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye.